So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the class on operation research, where we're going to discuss some good level problems, which you can call it a difficult problem also. Maybe it's difficult for some people, may not be difficult for some people. On a general perception, I have taken this problem. So probably once we are done with this, we'll start Begum method or penalty method. So before we start penalty method, we need to prepare ourselves with the good level problems of simplex method. As you can see in this problem, you can see the objective function is minima and the constraint is basically less than or equal to. You cannot solve a simplex method problem having constraint greater than or equal to. So whenever you are solving a problem of simplex method having constraint greater than or equal to, probably then you need to work on the derivation or you need to work on an alternative approach of simplex method, which is called Begum method, which we will discuss probably from tomorrow. For the time being, in this class, we'll focus on the simplex method. And for simplex method, whenever you see the problem, the objective function in the case of simplex method cannot be minima. So when you're solving a problem, and if you see the problem in the case of simplex method, that your objective function is minima, so you need to convert this minima into maxima. Okay, so how will you convert this minima into maxima? So very simple, it's not something very difficult. So the same problem you can write as maxima of z is equal to minus x2. You change the sign of coefficient, minus x2 plus 3x3 minus 2x5. So this becomes your objective function subject to your constraint. Again, I will write my constraint, that is 3x2 minus x3 plus 2x5, that is less than or equal to 7, and then minus 2x2 plus 4x3, that is less than or equal to 12, and then minus 4x2 plus 3x3, then plus 8x5, that is less than or equal to 12, less than equal to 10, where x2, x3, x5, they should be greater than or equal to 0. So the same problem I can write like this way. Okay, guys, so I hope you understood. Now, as you can notice, there are three constraints are there. So to solve this problem, you need to introduce three slack variable. Now, because you know that you have three constraints, so you need three slack variable. So if I introducing three slack variable S1, S2, S3 and writing the problem in standard form, so that theory you can write by yourself. So the maximum of Z should be minus of x2 plus 3x3 minus 2x5 plus 0 s1 plus 0 s2 plus 0 s3 plus 0 s3 subject to constraints. So in constraint you will write subject to constraint, you will write 3x2 minus x3 plus 2x5 plus s1 is equal to 7. So I'm trying to change the inequality sign of the constraint. If you have gone through all my videos on simplex method, you know these steps already. These things I'm repeating again and again. So you can anytime you can make sure that you can go beyond my speed, solve it and cross verify to the what you are doing. So you can pause anytime whenever you want. So minus 2x2 plus 4x3, okay, that is plus s2, that is equal to 12, and then this is minus 4x2 plus 3x3 plus 8x5 plus s3 is equal to 10. Okay, where x1, x2, x3, S1, S2, S3 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so you understood, right? So once you got this, now what we'll do, we'll solve this problem by using tabular method. Now we'll solve the problem in the tabular method. Now we can solve this problem by using tabular method. So here I'll write x2, then x3, then x5, then s1, s2, s3, then s1, s2, s3. Okay, then you can write the coefficients as -1, +3, -2, then 0, 0, then 0, then this is S1, 0 coefficient, S2, 0 coefficient, S3, 0 coefficient. So this is 3 -2, then -4, then -1, then +4, then +3. Okay, then you can write this +2, 1. There's no value here. 0, 0, then 8, -4, 3, 8. Okay, then this would be S1 0, S1 0, S2 0, S3 1. There S2 0, S3 1. This is 0, 0. Okay, and your RHS value is 7, 12, 10. RHS value is 7, 12, 10. So these values are called CI. Okay, this value you call ZI. CI. So for the first iteration table, you know that your CI minus ZI will be the same value -1, 3, -2, 0, 0, 0. Already I have done enough of problem, all the steps. You should not be confused with this. Okay, now to find theta, 7 divided by -1. We don't do divide by -1. We don't consider theta negative theta. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 10 divided by 3 is 3.33. So the smallest theta value is this. It means S2 will exit the solution, and that will replace by X3. So you can understand your pivot element would be +4. So once you're done with that, once you're done with that, once you're done with that, okay, once you're done with that, you know that S2, here you have S1, then you have X3, x3 having the coefficient called -3, not +3 because you change the sign up. X3 having coefficient called +3. So you can write this as -1 by 2, -2 by 4. Then you have 1, then 0, 0, then 1 by 4, 0, and then you are 3. Then x1, so how to find the value of x1? How to find the value of x1? How to find the value of x1? X1 value, how will I find? S1 value, how will I find? So S1 value, I'll find S1 value I'll find as 3 minus 1. Okay, new values of S1. This is old value, 3 minus 1, then 2, then 1, then 0, 0, 7. Okay, and okay, then these are the old element. The new element that would be the new element that will be element that is -1 by 2, 1, that is -1 by 2, 1, -1 by 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 by 4, 0, 0, 1 by 4, 0, 3. Okay, and your for S1, and for S1 your constant, I think you know this is constant K1. You can write as constant K2. The S1 constant is -1. The constant is -1. So you can use a formula, old element minus plus new element. So constant is -1. So constant is -1. So this is 3 minus -1 minus 1 by 2. I hope you understand. This would be 3 minus 1 by 2. This would be 6, 5 by 2. Then this is minus 1, minus 1 to 1. You can understand this is minus 1 plus 1. This is 0. This is 2. This is 1. Then this is 1 by 4. Okay. Then this is 0. Then this is 7 plus 3. This would be 10. So this would be 5 by 2, 0, 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 2, 1, 2, 1, 1 by 4, 2, 1, 1 by 4, 5 by 2, 0, 2, 1, 1 by 4, okay, 0, 10, 0, 10, 0, 10. Okay. Then S3, S3 value, S3 value, S3 value, S3 value, S3, S3, old element of S3, old element of S3, S3 value, S3 value, that is minus 4, then 3, then 0, minus 4, 3, then 8, 8 values there, is it? Minus 4, 3, then 8, then 0, 0, 1, and 10. Minus 4, 3, 8, 0, 0, 1, 10. Minus 4, 3, 8, 0, 0, 1, and 10. Okay, and the constant here is plus 3. Constant is plus 3, so you can use a new element. What is your new element? The new element is minus 1 by 2. The new element is minus 1 by 2. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 4, 0, and 3. This is plus 3. This is plus 3. So old element minus 3 into new element. So minus 4 plus 3 by 2. Minus 8 plus 3, minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. So minus 8 plus 3. Yeah. Minus 5 by 2. Then 3 minus 3. This would be 0. Then 8 minus 3. That would be 0. Then this will be 8. This is 0. Then minus 3 into 1 by 4. This is minus 3 by 4. This is 1. And this is 10 minus 3 into 3. This is 1. 3 3s are 9. 1. So then your value will be minus 5 by 2, 0. 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 8, 0 minus 3 by 4, 8, 0. 8, 0 minus 3 by 4, 8, 0 minus 3 by 4, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay, this is 0. This is 0. So this is ZI. ZI value, when you say ZI, ZI value is minus 3 by 2. This is 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then this 0, 0, 0. Then this is 3 by 4, 0, 0, 0. This is 9. You understand, right? Okay, now Ci minus Zi, Ci minus Zi, Ci minus Zi. 3i minus zi. This is minus 1, minus 1 minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, that is, sorry, 3 by 2. So minus 1 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 you will get. Then 3 minus 3 0. Then minus 2, this will be minus 2. Then this will be 0. This is minus 3 by 4. This is 0. Out of all this value, you see the highest value is 1 by 2. Okay, so that means x1 will come, and x1 will replace whom? X1 will replace, only one option is there, because this is again minus 1 by 2. This is again minus 1 by 2. X1 can only replace S1. Okay, this would be your pivot element. Okay, so x1 will replace, so here x1, here you can see, here x1 will replace s1. Here you can see x1, here you can see the x1 will replace s1. So x1 having a coefficient called minus, sorry, there's no x1, there's x2. The first is x2 having a coefficient called minus 1. X2 having a coefficient called minus 1 has replaced S1. So this is plus 3x3 and 0 S3. This is 0, 0. 2 divided by 5 by 4. 2 divided by 5 by 2. 2 divided by 2 divided by 5 by 2. This is 4 by 5. Then this is 2 by 5. Then 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. 1 by 20 by 2, 1 by 10, then 0, then 10 divided by 5 by 2, 4. So x3, old element of x3, that is minus 1 by 2, then 1, 0, 0, then 1 by 4, then 0, and then 3. You can see the value. Old element of x3, you can see the value minus 1 by 2, 1, 0, 0. You can see the values. You can see this value x3 is minus 1 by 2, 1, 0, 0. Okay, 1 by 4, 0, 3. This is old element of x3. Okay, then you can see the new element, what you get of x2, that is 0, 0. This will be 0, 0. These values will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 by 5, then 2 by 5, then 1 by 10, then 0, then 4, and your for this the constant will be minus 1 by 2. Constant will be minus 1 by 2. This is old element plus new element by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 minute, 1 minute. So pivot element was 5 by 2, right? Yeah, so 5 by 2 divide by 5 by 2, that would be 1, right? 1. That would be 1. That would be 1, right? That would be 1, and these values will be 0, 0. Yeah. 2 divided by 5 by 2, 4 by 5, 1 divided by 2 by 5. This is 1 by 10, 0, 4. Yeah. So this is this. So this is minus. This is now if you see minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2. This will be 0. This will be 1. This is 1 by 2. This is 4 by 5 by 2. Means this would be 2 by 5. So 2 by 5. This would be 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. This would be 1 by 5. This is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 10. So you can take LCM of 20 here. LCM 4 and 20 will be 20. This is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. This will be 3 by 10. This will be 0. This is 3 plus, which one? 3 plus 1 by 2, right? 3 plus, yeah, 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 4 by 2 means 2. 5. So you will get this value. The values you are getting is 0, 1, then 2 by 5, 0, 1, 2 by 5, then 1 by 5, 0, 1, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, then 3 by 10, then 3 by 10, then 0, then 5. Okay, then S3 value, S3 value, S3 value, 1 minute. So now like the way I found, now I'll find S3 value. S3 value, if you're trying to find S3, the old element of S3 is minus 5 by 2, then 0, then 8, then 0, then minus 3 by 4, then 1, then 1. The new element, what you need to use is 1, 0, 4 by 5, then 2 by 5, then 1 by 10, then 0, then 4. The constant what you'll use here is minus 5 by 2. The constant you'll use is 5 by 2. So this old formula you use is old element plus 5 by 2 element. So the first one is 0, second one is 0. So 8 plus 5 by 2 into 4 by 5. So this would be, this get cancelled, this is 2, this would be 10. Then 0 plus 5 by 2 into 2 by 5. This will be 1. Then this is minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2 into 1 by 10. This is minus 3 by 4 plus this is 1 by 2, 1 by 4. This is minus 2 by 4 or minus 1 by 2. This is 1, this is 1. This is 1 plus 5 by 2 into 4. This is 10, 11. So you get this value, you can write their values like this. 0, 0, you can write their values like this. 0, 0, 0, 0. You can write their values like this. 0, 0, 10, 1, 0, 0, 10, 1, 0, 0, 10, 1. Then minus 1 by 2, 11. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 1, 11. Minus 1 by 2, 1, 11. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1, 11. 1, 11. Okay, now the Zi value, the Zi value corresponding to this will be minus 1. This will be plus 3, plus 3. This would be minus 4 by 5, 6 minus 4, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, and then this is minus 2 plus 3, 3 minus 2, 1 by 5. Then this would be minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8 by 10. 8 by 10 means 4 by 5. Then this is 0. Okay. Then you find Ci minus Zi. So Ci minus Zi, if you find, the first one was minus 1. No? First one is minus 1. Minus 1, that would be 0. Then next one is plus 3. 3 minus 3, that would be 0. Then next one, x5 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 by 5, that would be negative only. Okay, minus 2 minus means minus 2.4. You'll get minus 2.4. This is minus 1.5. This is minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 4 by 5, 0. So you can see all your Ci minus Zi is either 0 or negative. So it means you get the feasible solution. So what is your Zi value? This is 15. 15 minus 4, 11. Ci minus Zi value, that is 11. So maximum value of Z. So here you can understand objective function was the minimization of Z, right? That was your objective function. So here you get the Z value is 11. Maximum Z value is 11. So you can say your final solution is x1 is equal to 4. 2 is equal to 0 because not the part of the solution. X3 is equal to 5. And the minimum value of Z you are getting is minus 11. Here you wanted to minimize the Z. So this is your final answer, right? I hope you understood this. You can pause the video anytime to watch this again and again. So this can be a little bit complicated sometimes. If you feel anywhere anything complication, you can rewind, make sure that you understand, then go ahead solving the problem. Clear everyone, right? Okay, everyone. Now see the next part of the problem. Now see the next problem. I hope you understood. Write down the next problem. Next problem is maxima of Z is equal to 15x1 plus 6x2 plus 9x3 plus 2x4. So we are trying to do difficult level problem subject to 2x1 plus x2 plus 5x3 plus 6x4 is less than or equal to 20. Then 3x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 plus 25x4 is less than or equal to 24. Okay, then 7x1 plus x4 is less than or equal to 70. Okay, so where x1, x2, x3, x4, that should be greater than or equal to 0. Everyone, please write down this problem. Then we'll start solving this. you can see here three constraints are there. So we'll introduce three slack variable. So after writing this, you can write introducing three slack variable S1, S2, S3 and converting the problem into standard form. So all that you can write. Okay. So ultimately the next step for this problem to convert the inequalities here, okay, into linear equation by making it a linear equation by putting equal to sign. So here what I can do here, I can write here. So same thing, maxima of z is equal to 15x1 plus 6x2 plus 9x3 9x3 plus 2x4. So you have three constraints now. You can use three slack variable 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3 subject to constraint. So what all constraint you have subject to constraint, what all constraint you have, those constraint you have is what all constraint you have is 2x1 plus x2 plus 5x3 plus 6x4 plus s1 is equal to 20 is equal to 20. So 3x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 plus 25x4 plus s2 is equal to 24. Then 7x1 plus x4 plus s3 is equal to 70, where x1, x2, x3, x4, s1, s2, s3 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so thereby you converted the inequalities of the constraint into linear equation by introducing slack variables s1, s2, s3, which can ultimately make the equation as an equal equation. Okay, everyone. Then what you can do once you're done with this. So then once you're done with this, what you can do? Once you're done with this, you can draw iteration table. You can draw an iteration table. So here you have S1, you have S2, you have S3. Here you have X1, X2, X3, X4. Then you have S1, you have S2, you have S3. Then you have RHS. Okay, so you can write the the coefficients of the constraint. So this is 2x1 plus x2 plus 5x3 plus 6x4 plus s1 0 0. RHS is 20. The next equation is 3x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 plus 25x4. Then 0 1 0 is equal to 24. Then next one is 7x1 plus x4 0 0 0 0 0. Then that is equal to 70. Okay. So now this CI value would be CI value for you would be 15x1 6x2 9x3 2x4 0 0 0. So you know that Zi will be 0 only, so I'm writing directly Ci minus Zi. So you write the same coefficient 15, 6, 9, 2, 0, 0, 0. So the highest value is 15. So highest value is 15. 15 will enter. So you can find the theta whom 15 will replace. To find whom 15 will replace, for that you need to find the theta. Theta values 20 divided by 2 is 10. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 70 divided by 10 is 7. So the smallest value is 8. So it will replace S2. So you understood, right? It will replace S2. So now you can write here Now you can write here. This was S1. Then in place of S1, you will get X1. In place of S2, you will get X1. Right? In place of S2, you will get X1. Having coefficient called 6, right? Having coefficient called in place of S2, you will get X1, right? Yeah, X1 coefficient is 15. X1 coefficient is 15. You have S3 with coefficient 0, 0. So then you can find the value 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 divided by 3, that would be 1 by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 25 divided by 3, 25 by 3. 0 divided by 3, 0. 25 by 3, 0 divided by 3, 0. 1 divided by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 8. Okay. And then once you found this value, I can find the simultaneous value of S1. S1 values are 2, 1, 5, 6, 1, 0, 0, 20. These are the old element of S1. You got this value, S1 value. The new element are 1, 1 by 3, 1, 1 by 3, 1, then 25 by 3, then 0, 1 by 3, 0, 8. Constant for S1 is 2. 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 So 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 6 minus 2 into 25 by 3, 50 by 3. So this would be, okay, this is positive 2, right? Is it okay? Yeah. This positive 2, 6 minus 25, this is 18, this 18 minus 50 by 3. So this will be minus 38, minus 32, minus 32 by 3. 32 plus 18 is 50, right? Yeah. Minus 32 by 3. Then this would be 1 only. Then this is minus 2 by 3. So then this is 0. Then 20 minus 8 2s are 16 means 4. This will be 0, 1 by 3, 3, 0, 1 by 3, 3, 0, 1 by 3, 3, then minus 32 by 3, 1, minus 32 by 3, minus 32 by 3, 1, minus 32 by 3, 1, minus 2 by 3, 0, minus 2 by 3, 0, minus 2 by 3, 0, and 4. And then this S3 value, if you want S3 value, S3 value, which is your old element now, your S3 value will be old element. What are those values? Those are 7, 0, 0, then 1, then triple 0, 1, then 1, 1. One. So 7, 0, 0, 1, 7, 0, 0, 1, then triple 0, and then 70. Constant here is 7. 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 7 is your constant. 7 minus 7, 0. Constant here is 7, no? So minus 7 by 3. Okay, minus 7. Okay, then 1 minus 25 25 7 25 sevens are 25 sevens are by 3. So 3 minus 25 sevens are 175 by 3, that is minus 172 by 3. Okay, so this 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 this, okay, then 0, this is 0, then 0 minus 7 by 3, this is minus 7 by 3, then 0, then 70 minus 7 into 8, 70 minus 56 equal to 14. So 0 minus 7 by 3 minus 7, 0 minus 7 by 3 and 7, 0 minus 7 by 3 minus 7, and then 0 minus 7 by 3 minus 7 with minus 172 by 3, then 0, minus 172 0, then minus 7 by 3, then 0, then 14. 0 minus n by 3 minus 7 minus 172 by 3, then 0, then minus 7 by 3, 0, 14. So zi value is 15, then is 5, then 15, then this is 5, 25 5s are 125, yeah, then this is 0, then 5, then 0. So then ci minus zi, then ci minus zi, 15, 15 minus 15, 0, then 6 minus 5, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, then 9 minus 15, minus 6, then this is minus 125, this is 0, then minus 5, then 0. So fourth one is 2 minus, fourth one is 2 minus 125, that is minus 123. So this is 4 divide, this is 12. 4 divide, this is 8, this is 24, and this would be inverse only. So which one value will it replace? You know that x2 will enter into the solution. You know that x2 will enter into the solution. So x2 will replace whom? x2 will replace 12. x2 will replace what? s1. That is smallest value is 12. So this would be your pivot element. 1 by 3 would be a pivot element. So this is x2, this is x1, this is s3. So 0, 1, 3 divided by 1 by 3 means 9. Then minus 32 by 3 by 1 by 3. Minus 32. Then 1 divided by 1 by 3 means 3. 1 divided by 1 by 3. 1 divided by 1 by 3. 1 divided by 1 by 3. This is 0, then this is 9, then 30 minus 32 by 3, 1 minus 32, 1. 1 divided by 1 by 3 is 3, minus 2 by 3 by 1 by 3 is minus 2, then 0, then 4 divided by 1 by 3 means 12. So your constant is 1 by 3. Your constant is 1 by 3. Your constant is 1 by 3. Your constant is your constant is 1 by 3. So x1 old element of x1 old element of x1 is 1 1 by 3 125 by 3, then 0 1 by 3 0 8. Okay, and then new values of this is constant, no, this is k1, you can write 1 by 3. New element x2 is your new element. Okay, you can write this as 0 1 9 minus 32 3 minus 2 0 12. Okay, and the constant is 1 by 3. So old element minus new element by 3. So this is 1 and this is 0. This is 1 minus 9 by 3 is 9 by 3 is 3, no? 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. And then 25 by 3 minus minus plus. Okay, 32 by 3. This is 57 by 3 equal to 19. Then 0 minus, no, 3 by 3 1 minus 1. Then 1 by 3 plus 2 into 1 by 3 means 3 by 3 means 1. Then 0. Then 8 minus 12 by 3 4, it is 4. So you can write this value 1 0 1 0 1 0 minus 2 1 0 minus 2 1 0 1 0 minus 2 1 0 minus 2 19 minus 1 19 minus 1 1 19 minus 1 19 minus 1 1 फिर 0 1 0 1 then 0 and then 4. Okay, similarly I'll find the new values of s3. New values of s3, how will I find new values of s3? You can find new values of s3. New values of s3 0 minus 7 by 3 minus 7 minus 172 by 3 0 minus 7 by 3 0 14, and constant is minus 7 by 3. 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 0 0 minus 7 plus 7 by 3 into 9. Minus 7 plus 7 3 are 21 is 14. So minus 172 by 3 minus, that is minus 7 by 3 is that, yeah. So this is minus 7 by 3, right? This is minus 7 by 3, right? And this is minus 32. Okay. Now tell me minus 172 by 3 minus 32 sevens are 32 sevens is 7 twos are 14, 1 carry 2 2 4 by 3. So this you'll get how much? This is 6 and this is 9 and this is 3 divide by this is minus 132. Then this is what? 0 plus 7 by 3 into 3 means 7. Okay, then that is minus 7 by 3 minus 3 minus will there. Minus will come. So 7 by 3 into 2. So minus 7 by 3 minus 14 by 3 minus 21 by 3. It will be minus 7. Then this is 0 only. And 14 plus 7 by 2 into 4, 12. 7 by 3, no, 7 by 3 into 12. 7 by 3 into 2. So yeah, 14 plus 28 means 42. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 14, 0, 0, 14 minus 132, 14 minus 132, 14 minus 132, 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, then 0, 0, 42, 0, 42. So you can find Zi. You can find Zi. Zi is 15. Zi is 15. Okay, sorry. What is x2? X2 coefficients. Zi is 15. This is 6. And this is 9, 6 are 54 minus 30. 54 minus 30 means 24. 54 minus 30. Yeah, 24. 32 6 are 32 6 are so 32 6 are 12 192 minus 192 and 32 32 6 are minus 192 15 19 are 15 19 are 45 4 22 85 15 plus 9 24 plus 8 9 9 to 14 185 15 19 sir 19 15 sir 19 95 19 this is 5 then 18 285 so 285 minus 192 this is 3 this is 9 9 and 18 so this is 93 then 18 6 is 18 minus 15 3 18 minus 15 3 then minus 12 plus 15 15 minus 12 3 and then this is 0 so ci minus zi so this is 15 15 6 9 15 6 9 15 6 9 9 minus 24 whatever you get negative no 15 6 9 9 minus 24 minus 15 minus 15 only you get right minus 15 15 plus 9 is 24 right yeah then this would be 0 sorry this would be minus 93 minus 3 15 6 9 and then you have 2 right then you have 2 then you have 2 2 minus 93 minus 91 minus 3 minus 3 0 now you can see you get all feasible solution ci minus zi is either 0 or negative so this will give you the final solution you can see your ci minus zi is either 0 or negative so your feasible solution would be 12 6 12 6 is 72 and then 15 4 is 60 okay and this is so this is 132 132 that is your feasible solution guys so your final answer is x2 is equal to 12 x1 is equal to 4 x1 is 4 x2 is 12 x3 will be equal to 0 x4 is equal to 0 and the maximum value of z is 130. This is your final solution. Any doubt, anyone? Anyone, any doubt? So I hope you understood this. So this much from the today class. We'll continue our discussion tomorrow. If you have any doubt, please ask me.